Darling, rip me out of the plastic because I have been acting brand new. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's the doll, the fashion doll, Quentin Ware. I'm here with another unboxing and review for you all. And today, we're having a pink party. We're having a Barbie Extra party. Yes, I'm so excited. Y'all like my shirts and my new sunnies. Today's the first day of Virgo season. And I am a Virgo, so I'm getting ready for my birthday, and my theme is going to be fashion doll in general. Today's also, not to be sad, but it's the anniversary of my brother's death. We lost him 2 years ago. And I had an interesting morning. But in general, collecting dolls has kind of been a little escapism for me the past couple weeks or month or two. Just have a lot going on, so I actually needed this today. So rest in peace, brother, love you. And we're gonna do our video. We're not gonna be sad today. We're gonna be pretty in pink. Okay, so I found this Barbie Extra Mini, and this is what we're gonna unbox today. But before we get to that, because I was talking about the Barbie Extras in my last video, and I wanted to show y'all the ones that I have that I do not want to unbox. So this is Barbie Extra number 14, and she is very stunning. I think I got her first, and she kind of gave me the idea to keep my collection as pink, or pink heavy, we'll say. But she has really long pigtails. I love her little fur jacket or faux fringe jacket. People keep complaining about this fabric. I don't have a problem with the fabric because I remember women having tops that look like this. I think it's cute. And then her outfit, it's like a repeating Barbie pattern, which I think is a reference to when Moschino did the Barbie collection. But she is really cute. I love her. The dog is in the car, and we can look at the back too. She has a little cute illustration. I may get the Asian girl from this series because I see her when I'm out shopping, so I might get her. But she is stunning. She is staying in my collection. And then after I got her, I have saw this Barbie Extra Fancy, who is also very stunning. She was just giving me quintessential Barbie. Like, oh my God, when I think of Barbie, I think of pink. I think of no shade, but a white woman with blonde hair. And honey, this is her to a T. Love the hearts on her stockings. Love her bag being a mirror. She is just stunning. Here's the back. And she has two purses. She has the purse that looks like a mirror, but then there's another that looks like, almost like a bottle of perfume. And when I got her, you probably can see her box is messed up. I ordered her from Walmart. Shout out to Walmart. I'm not gonna give Walmart too much flack. I had originally placed a pickup order, and they canceled. Well, they told me they didn't have it, and they would mail it. So when they mailed it, it came like that. So I was going to return it, but they didn't have any more in the store. So I actually messaged Walmart, and the guy refunded me for the doll, and I didn't have to return it. So I basically got her for free. So shout out to Walmart. If y'all want to sponsor the kid or do a deal, send me some stuff, please do. That would be stunning. Give me some free dolls. Okay, but back to Barbie Extra Mini. So when I was watching videos about her online, she's number 8. I don't know how you know the numbers, because I couldn't find the number on here anywhere. Like, I don't see a series anywhere. But that's what someone online said, so I'm going to go along with it. Yes, this is her. She's cute. So the extra line, they have Barbie Extra Mini and then Barbie Extra Mini Mini. I think that's what it's called. So they're even smaller than this. I don't know if I'm going to get any of those. But she is cute. I was a little reluctant to get her because someone online said the proportions are weird and it's not giving Barbie like the head and the eyes. And that is true. It is giving me more of like a Bratz or LOL surprise, something like that. But it's still cute. So yeah, we could just get, excuse me, I guess open her. I don't know if y'all can see she has a crown on, but that's probably why they have like a crown as part of her packaging. And this is the back. Nothing, they didn't give us any illustrations, don't show you the series on the back. They kept this pretty simple, which is fine. Okay, let's open her. And since keeping with my pink theme, that's why I got this one. Because I've seen a couple Barbie Extra minis out and about. But I was like, let's get her because she's in my color scheme. And that was easy to open. And the Barbie Extra minis come with their own stand. I think that's cute. Because we don't need any more pets. Please and thank you. But you can give us the stand. Oh, okay, that's cute. That comes out. Maybe I'll keep that. I don't know why I like keeping things from the packaging. I actually framed something from the packaging already. Okay, we got that out. So this is her. I like how they have them in these little plastic containers so it keeps them posed in motion. And her hair is tagged to the back so it's not moving. Let me just pop this so we can get her out. Easy. I think I need to cut it later, but yes. I also should have got a comb. 1 second, do I have a comb? I do. Okay. So here she is out of the box. I need to get some rubber bands so I can style their hair. I actually think she is cuter having her hair in a ponytail. I think that makes more sense. Her hair feels nice though. Ooh, it's shitty. But it feels nice. When you take the dolls out of the package and their hair almost feels like it has a little moisture to it. It just gives me like, you know, real human hair. Also, her crown is tagged onto her head. So if I want to take that off, you have to undo the tag. I might just leave it for now. Okay, give her a little brush. Okay, so here she is out of the box with her purse. Oh. Her purse is cute. She is cute. I like her little outfit. I like the sparkles. I like the little arm warmers. She does have, I am very impressed with the articulation. Okay, so of course you can move them at the thigh. They actually bend at the knee too. I think that's cool. Now it doesn't look like the feet move. Oh, you can take the shoes off. Oh, okay. You can take the shoes off. She has arched feet. Stunning. Now let's move her around so. Oh, when you take the arm warmers off, she does bend at the elbow too. Well, let's get into her without. Is her hand? Okay. Her arm was giving me that it was on here backwards or weird or something. Okay. So this is her without the leg warmer so you can see the dress a little better. I think this dress is so cute. It's like an asymmetrical dress. And if you look, there's no, it's like sleeveless on the one side. She's giving me like a, oh, and it Velcro's in the back. Okay. She has a Velcro fastening. And I love her door knocker, her gold door knocker earrings. Something about this dress is giving me, it's very much giving me Real Housewives of like OC or Beverly Hills. I could see a housewife wearing this to a reunion, actually. Which is very random, but I don't know. That's what she's giving me. And let's look at this bag. I believe the bag opens, which it does. I'm kind of impressed. Ooh, they didn't have to do that. It could have just stayed closed, but it does open. And it's supposed to be like a ring. Like if you do it this way, it's too little to put on your finger, but it is cute. At first I would say like, why the purple? Like why not a gold bag or pink or something? But her stand is purple. So I'm assuming they did that so we get a little, like a color blocking moments of contrast. So I'm okay with it. Let's check out the stand. So you get a base that says Barbie Extra Minis. This is like the pole part. And then here is the part that goes around the doll. And I think I'm gonna sit her on my desk where my sewing table is. I'm starting to decorate that little corner a little more. And it's pink, of course, so she'll fit right in. So you have to put this part on first, and then you put it in the stand. This is a little different from the other stands I have used. Okay. The only thing with the stands to me in general is that they kind of get in the way sometimes. Or like, it'll be hard to put them on the stand because of their hair and their clothes. That's my only critique of the stands. Because like now, this is kind of hard to get her on. Maybe I'll do it by her leg. Maybe if I raise her arms, it'll be easier. Well, I don't know if this is just me having this issue, but this would be one critique I have. This is too hard to get her to understand. Okay, well, we'll try that out later. But here she goes. This seems like she would look cute when she's on the stand, but it is very difficult. And this hair is a mess. Okay. So final report card for Miss Barbie Extra Mini. She is, I will give her my stamp of approval. She is stunning. But the hair texture is fine. Ooh. Her hair is thin. So you can see the back of, you can see her black head through the hair. Why wouldn't y'all color her head to be like a color that would match the hair so if it moved, it wasn't as noticeable? Because she is very bald head. Yeah, y'all tried that. Okay, so this hair could be better and thicker. And these doll stands. Now I don't know if I'm having difficulty with the stand because she also has this belt on, or like her fabric is too bulky, but it is not. I don't think that you should have to struggle that much to put them on the stand. Because if I'm struggling, I know a child would be struggling. Let's try one more time before we close the video. I'm gonna see if I take her belt off. Can that be ridiculous? When I saw when I saw the doll and she had the queen, I said, now y'all tried that, putting the white doll and the stuff that say queen. I know white people actually have real monarchies, you know, like the Queen of England and stuff. But just culturally, I don't hear white people refer to white women as queens. That is something that we do in the black community. So I think it's so funny now that other communities are starting to adopt that. Because y'all ain't never called y'all women a queen before. But okay, girl. Okay, I got her on. I did have to take her belt off to get her on. Now where did that bed go? No. Okay, so final pose. She's on here. She's posed. She got her bed. She's cute. She's stunning. If you're a collector, I would at least get one or two just to say you have it. And, if you have the Barbie Extras too. I think I'm going to skip out on the minis. It's not that serious. But these are cute. I actually have seen some other dolls from this series that are cute. I might get. I kind of want one of the black girls. So if I see her out, I'm going to get her. It's one with extra cute on her bangs that people make fun of, but I actually kind of think she's cute. So I don't know. I might get her. But thank y'all again for watching. I hope everyone has a good day. I'm going to try to have a good day. I'm going to put an affiliate link for her in the description. All of my videos, I forget to mention it, but I always have links in the description for the doll that I'm talking about. I also have a link to my Etsy store if you would like to purchase some of my merch. I have stunning merch, and I also have some merch Barbie related, and I'll have on some soon. I'm just waiting for it to come in the mail. But thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please continue to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I will see you the next time. Bye-bye.